Want to fix SuperBox buffering issues? This video will show you the simple tricks to get smooth streaming. Let's dive in. First things first, buffering on a SuperBox usually points to internet speed issues, a weak Wi-Fi signal, or too many devices on your network. Now, the most crucial step is to check your internet speed. Run a speed test on a device connected to the same network as your SuperBox. Ensure your download speed meets the requirements for streaming, e.g., at least 25 megabits per second for HD, more for 4K. Next, optimize your Wi-Fi signal. Move your SuperBox closer to your Wi-Fi router, or move your router to a more central location. Reduce interference from other electronics. If possible, try a wired Ethernet connection directly from your router to the SuperBox, as this is the most stable. You'll also want to restart your SuperBox device, router, and modem. Unplug them all for about 60 seconds, then plug them back in. This clears temporary network glitches, reduce network congestion, disconnect other devices that are heavily using your internet, e.g. other streaming, large downloads, online gaming. Finally, clear the cache for the streaming apps on your SuperBox. Go to Settings Greater Than Apps, select the problematic app, and clear its cache. Ensure all apps in your SuperBox firmware are updated. Lower the video quality in the app settings if available. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more streaming box tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.